guys, today we are going to be doing a welcome signs out of pumpkins. So you'll need orange paper, green paper, cardboard, some string, scissors, a glue stick, and colored pencils. So at first you fold the paper like I show you, and you put the pumpkin and you start to trace it. So yeah, this is the bottom and the top. They're going to be like different. So yeah, keep tracing and make sure to trace it very carefully. So yeah, every single angle there. So yeah. Yeah, make sure that's correct. Okay, tracing. Okay, trace this, that, and this, and then another that, and then this. Yeah. So yeah, you'll have to kind of get this kind of outline. It shouldn't be really visible. And same thing you do with the other piece of paper. So yeah, trace, and trace again. Okay, so start tracing. Okay, this side, that side, pretty good. Amazing. So yeah, let's do this. Come on. Let's draw. Yeah. Okay, and we got these kind of shapes. So let me fix it there. Yeah, let's just fix it. Okay. Now you should get something like this. So now we are going to do the top of the pumpkin. So you fold as in the video, and you start not to trace with this colored pencil. No, you start to trace with the green one. Last time we did it for the orange one, but now we are doing for the green. So yeah. And these are not the only materials that you will need to use. So yeah, this is just for this kind of project. Well, this one for cutting, drawing. So yeah. Oh, and there's the cat. Okay, so I have traced them, cut them, and now we have to glue it to our cardboard. So for this you'll need a glue stick, a cardboard, and some of the paper that you cut. So yeah, you place your top, glue it more likely. So you glue your top, you use a glue stick, duh. So let's glue this. Let's glue it to our cardboard. And yeah, this should be good. Perfect, yeah. Yep. Okay, and you place this like this so it will kind of look like a pumpkin. And it's okay, guys. If you don't think it kind of looks like a pumpkin, wait until the end of the video. You will totally believe it's a pumpkin. So, yeah. We're not done yet, guys. And, yeah. So, this is how it's supposed to look like. Nice and cute like pumpkins. Oh, yeah, that's the glitter there next to it. So, yeah, this is amazing. So, yeah, now you'll need your scissors. So, you cut the pumpkin. And this is what you get. Nice cardboard cut pumpkins. So now I am using glitter. It's green, but the camera might think it's blue, but it's actually green. Okay, so let's just squirt. Okay, yeah, now you see it's kind of green. Just the camera's showing it that it's blue. Yeah, it's totally green. Okay, so So you keep adding the glitter to every green part. Don't add it to the orange. Okay? Don't. And this is what you shall get. So yeah, nice. And this is for every pumpkin you will have to make. So now take a brown pencil and start to make lines that look like a pumpkin, but not way too hard, because after there'll be a special surprise. So yeah, just get it in there. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, trace. Well, not trace, but draw. Draw. Yeah. And this is kind of what you shall get. Just draw the line so they'll be at least visible to you. That's all you need to do. Make it all visible. And here's our gold glitter, which we'll need next. Okay, so we've drawn all the lines, and time to add our gold. So you trace the gold on the lines. So yeah, take some while opening the gold. Okay, finally opened it. So yeah, now you just trace the lines with the gold. And it might not turn out that well at first, but at the end, it actually really turned out nice. Keep watching. Yeah. Yay. And this is how the final result came out. And voila. And this is our welcome sign, which we're gonna put on the pumpkin. So one letter goes on every single pumpkin. So we made 7 pumpkins because in the word welcome there are 7 letters. So yeah, we made 7 pumpkins. And yeah, so let's put it on. I'll put the letters on there. And yeah. So stack on the letters, and after, make sure to glue on the letters on. So yeah, let's get the glue, open it, and yeah, here's a glue. Glue. Let's glue off things like summer brings. Well, there's no summer, there's fall now. Oh. So yeah. Just carefully glue that all. Glue it all the way in every single edge. Okay, and perfect. Yeah, sometimes the imperfection makes things perfect. And this is our final result and how it looked like. And it turned out amazing. But you know what? How are we gonna stick it? No, we have to stick it somehow. But first we need to decorate it. We need to decorate it with some ribbons. So yeah, let's first start off with this W. So start from the back and start to tie a knot. So yeah, we're basically making a bow. So tie a knot. Yeah, tie a knot. Yeah, so, and you kind of get them some kind of loops and tie a knot again with those loops. And at first it might be challenging, but that's the name of my channel. I love challenging things. Yep, papa. And this is kind of what it should look like. It should. But we did it like this. We And last one. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Hooray! So yeah, this is our welcome sign. But wait, how are we going to do this? They can't stick like just like that. We need a string to help us. So you laid out the string like this. So here are the ends. So yeah, go, go, go. And here's the loop that you folded in. And it's optional, but you could use tape or glue. But clear glue is better than any other kind of glue. Well, you can use orange glue, but let's just start off with glue. So yeah, let me just get that piece. And here's our final results. So we use tape because at first our glue didn't work, so nah. So tape is better, yeah. Glue, no glue. So yeah, so tape is better, and yeah, it's much, much better. So I recommend you use tape more. And this is our beautiful sign. We love it so, so, so much. And this is kind of how it looks like against the wall. And it's so beautiful. It's better than the supermarket. Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, Liska. Da, 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 da. Thank you everybody for watching this week's video. So this is what we did today, and I absolutely love it. It's amazing, just amazing. And you better subscribe because I took a lot of work for this for you guys. And click that notification bell to know, well, when I post a new video. Yeah. And also, don't forget to comment what shall my next challenge be. Yeah, I love getting new ideas, so I like getting them from you, which is even better. And, well, since it's literally fall, it's became fall a few days ago, so yeah, I decided to make a fall video, like a fall decor, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to craft something like this. I bet you will like it. You will, because we took so much work on this, and at the end, we really like making this. So yeah, it's worth your time watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and also I want to give a shout out to Anastasia the First right here. That's her. Don't forget to click my channel too. Subscribe to this, and my new videos are right here. So I will link my new video right here. Here's my video right here. You see it? So, yeah. Thank you for watching this. And tell me, what's on my next challenge?